Have you
Go ahead,
talked
Strat.
about how you've built your buyers list and like what's it called? My boy Adam had a deal, couldn't get it sold. Somebody came in, lowballed him at cost, and then you were going to double what he thought he was going to make initially. Like this happens all the time. Like, have you talked about like how you've built that buyers list? And like he's making way more money than they ever thought on this deal just because he sent it to you.
Is
And
this
I've done the same thing multiple times.
this
This
is
is Rich
recently,
Crest.
right?
Yeah, this is Rich Crest.
Oh, okay. Um, yeah. So I guess the way that we've built the buyers list again has just been really organic. We started out kind of looking at some lists and trying to do it that way. I remember like, oh man, I'm going to get so many good buyers. I'm going to pull this list down. I'm going to text them. They're all going to respond. Like, why wouldn't they? They want deals. And like one person will respond and they weren't really even investing, you know? So for me, I couldn't think that would be the best way to do it. So I just started kind of doing the guerrilla marketing strategies, you know, getting on Facebook. And then from there started growing. And then let's see, what else did I do? I got some new crazy stuff I'm about to be doing soon that's going to be real nasty.
Do you use Investor Lift?
I have looked into that. That is interesting. I don't know if it'll be any different than what access to different tools I already currently have. But I've found that the most effective has just been continuing to send out good deals, and then people start talking about it.
Yeah.
Like if your deals consistently go out because you have them, more people see it, more people start talking, and then it just grows from there. And now I just have inbound buyers leads coming rather than me like always looking for them, you know? And then it's like you close a deal with this one person and then they find their family member wants to buy one too. Like, hey, can you get my uncle one too? He's got 200K he wants to spend right now. And, you know, if you send another deal like this, we'll do it.